Listen, for too long, the narrative around building real wealth has been stuck in the past. Most folks still picture needing a massive inheritance, a winning lottery ticket, or a bank vault-sized pile of cash just to get started. But honestly, that whole story is officially outdated, totally dead. We're living in a completely different era now, a time where everyday creators, regular people just like you and me, are quietly pulling in 4 and even 5 figures a month. And they're doing it with tools that, believe it or not, cost exactly $0 to set up. It's not some exclusive club anymore. The gates have been thrown wide open. In the next 10 minutes, I'm not just going to tell you about the 5 income streams that are absolutely crushing it and printing the most money in 2025. I'm handing them to you. No gatekeeping, no flashy Lamborghini fluff. Just the cold, hard numbers, the real-world examples, and the actionable how-to. Get ready to shift your perspective on what's possible. So, picture this for a second. It's just 30 days from today. You wake up, maybe still a little groggy, reach for your phone, and as you scroll through your notifications, you realize something incredible. Overnight, you've been paid not once, not twice, but 6 times, all while you were sound asleep. Pretty wild, right? Sounds like one of those cheesy, over-the-top ads that promise the moon and deliver nothing but a scam, doesn't it? Except, here's the kicker. Every single example I'm about to share with you isn't some far-fetched fantasy. These are real, tangible methods already happening to normal people with normal bank accounts, who started with little to no capital. They're building genuine financial momentum, literally earning while they live their lives. So stick around, because number 5, that's the one most so-called gurus conveniently forget to mention, even though it's arguably the easiest and most accessible stream you could start tapping into today. You won't want to miss it. Let's kick this off with what I like to call the undisputed king of zero cash entry: digital products and micro courses. Why is it king? Because once you create it, it costs you almost nothing to replicate and sell infinitely. Think about it. No inventory, no shipping, no physical storefront. It's pure leverage. Take the story of a teacher in Ohio, for instance. She wasn't some tech whiz or marketing guru. She simply had a skill. Using Canva, she packaged her knowledge into a concise 45-minute Canva tutorial, uploaded it to Gumroad, set the price at a super reasonable $19, and then she went to bed. The next morning, she woke up to $2,400 in sales. Seriously. 0 ads, no pre-existing email list, just a quick, authentic TikTok clip she recorded in 10 minutes that went viral. The real trick, the secret sauce in 2025, isn't about creating sprawling, expensive online courses that take months to produce. It's all about micro courses. We're talking anything under an hour that doesn't just offer information, but genuinely solves a single painful problem for someone. Think practical, immediate value. Examples? An AI prompt library specifically. For content creators, a Notion template designed for freelance budget tracking. Or perhaps a Midjourney style guide that helps artists get the exact aesthetic they want. These aren't just selling, they're selling on repeat. Constantly. Why? Because once that digital file is uploaded, the platform handles the delivery forever. You can't run out of inventory, and your profit margins are often above 90%. If you can open a Google Doc and type, you can realistically start building this income stream this afternoon. It's about packaging your unique knowledge into something others desperately need and are willing to pay for, creating a truly scalable, hands-off income. Alright, if the idea of creating digital products sounds like too much upfront work, or you simply want something a little more set it and forget it, then option 2 is right up your alley: dividend stocks and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. For decades, investing in solid, income-generating assets felt like an exclusive club, right? You needed a fat brokerage account, significant capital to buy whole shares, or enough cash to purchase an entire property. But not anymore. Now, major brokers like Schwab and Fidelity have completely democratized access. You can literally buy a slice, a fractional share, of a blue-chip company or a robust REIT like Realty Income for as little as $1. And yes, they still mail you that dividend check, or more accurately, deposit it directly into your account. Take Realty Income, for instance, often called the monthly dividend company. This isn't some risky penny stock. It's a stable, income-focused REIT that currently boasts a forward dividend yield around 5.7% annually. What's even better, it has a legendary track record, having raised its dividend 124 times since 1994. Think about that consistency. Those dividend deposits hit your account like clockwork, whether you're lounging on a beach in Bali or stuck in a soul-crushing meeting. And if you're looking for sectors with serious tailwinds, keep an eye on healthcare REITs, which benefit from an aging population, and data center REITs. Why these two? Because remote work isn't going anywhere, and AI's insatiable demand for processing power means data centers are booming. These aren't just trends, they're foundational shifts. The beauty of this is you can open a free brokerage account today, turn on dividend reinvestment, and effectively give yourself a passive raise every single quarter without ever having to fix a leaky toilet or screen a tenant. It's truly passive wealth building for the long haul. Our third stream, peer-to-peer lending, might sound a bit old school, but trust me, this isn't the Wild West version from 2015. Where you had to manually sift through hundreds of profiles and pick strangers by hand. Today's P2P platforms, like Lending Club or Prosper, are sophisticated financial machines. They act as intelligent intermediaries, connecting individual lenders like you with borrowers seeking personal loans, small business financing, or even debt consolidation. The real game changer is the autopilot feature. You simply decide your risk tolerance. Maybe you prefer prime-rated borrowers, or you're willing to take a slightly higher risk for potentially higher returns. And the platform's algorithm does the rest. It automatically spreads your initial investment and any subsequent contributions across hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of individual loans. This diversification is key to mitigating risk. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, your money is thinly spread, significantly reducing the impact if one or two borrowers default. You can literally dump in as little as $25 a week, and the algorithm continuously works its magic, historically spitting out annual returns in the attractive 5 to 11% range. Now let's be real. Default risk, schwacks, is a factor, which is why it's crucial to cap this at about 5% of your total investment portfolio and always stick to those prime-rated borrowers if you're risk-averse. Think of P2P lending as the bond market's cooler, more digitally savvy cousin. Instead of waiting for semi-annual coupon payments, you'll see monthly payments hitting your dashboard, like clockwork, principal and interest. And you can reinvest those earnings with just one click, supercharging your passive income through compounding. It's a compelling option for steady, predictable cash flow without the volatility of the stock market. Fourth on our list is print on demand, or POAT. But let's be clear, the game fundamentally changed the moment AI image generators burst onto the scene. What used to be a bottleneck, needing design skills, hiring a graphic designer, or spending hours on complex software, has been obliterated. Now, instead of paying someone hundreds of dollars or wrestling with Photoshop, you simply type a niche prompt into an AI tool. Imagine asking for cute axolotl astronaut riding a skateboard, or vintage cyberpunk cat sipping coffee. In under 60 seconds, the bot spits out 10, 20, even 50 unique ready-to-print graphics. It's like having an entire design studio at your fingertips, for pennies. Once you have your winning design, the process is streamlined. You upload it to a platform like Printful or Printify, hook that up to an online storefront like Etsy or Shopify, and list your product. A t-shirt, a mug, a hoodie at, say, $29.99. From that point on, you're practically hands-off. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company handles everything. Printing the design onto the product, packaging it up, shipping it directly to the customer, and even managing customer service for print-related issues. You literally don't touch a single piece of inventory. We saw a college kid, just studying for finals, run some clever TikTok teasers for her emotional support water bottle design. The result? She sold 1-800 units in 3 weeks, pocketing about $8 per shirt. Now, it's true, the margins here are generally thinner than with digital products, but the sheer volume potential, combined with the power of free organic traffic from social media and platform SEO, more than makes up for it. It's a fantastic way to turn creativity into cash without the headaches of traditional e-commerce. Alright, this is it. Here's the one most creators, the ones making serious bank, quietly keep to themselves. Straight up affiliate stacking inside evergreen content. Forget the myth that you need 1 million followers, a massive email list, or a superstar personal brand. What you actually need is one, just one, truly valuable, evergreen video or blog post that consistently ranks well in search engines. Let me give you a personal example. I posted a simple 4-minute YouTube review comparing 2 free budgeting apps. Nothing fancy, just honest feedback. I dropped my ShareASale affiliate links for both apps in the description, and that single, unassuming video has consistently paid me over $1,100 a month for the last 18 months straight. That's nearly $20,000 from one piece of content. The real secret here is understanding search-based content. People go to Google and YouTube with specific problems and questions. They're typing in things like best VPN for Netflix, how to start a podcast on Spotify, review of XYZ software, or top ergonomic chairs for home office. These aren't random searches. These are people actively looking for solutions and often ready to buy. When your content, whether it's a blog post, a review, a tutorial, or a comparison, sits in the top 3 spots for those high-intent search terms, the clicks just keep coming. You're not creating a product. You're not managing customer emails. You're not handling inventory. Your job is simply to match the buyer with the perfect seller, and you, the savvy middleman, grab a healthy commission fee for making that connection. It's about providing genuine value and letting the search engines do the heavy lifting of bringing you an endless stream of potential customers. It's truly one of the most hands-off, scalable forms of passive income once you nail that initial content piece. Hey, quick favor before we wrap things up. If any of these income streams sparked that little voice inside your head saying, "You know what? I could actually do that," then please do me a solid and smash that like button. Seriously, your single click might seem small, but it tells the algorithm to show this video to someone else who desperately needs to hear that passive income isn't just a dream, that it's truly possible. Your click could genuinely change their entire year, maybe even their financial future. Look, here's the undeniable truth. You can keep trading your precious time for money, working harder and longer, and then wonder why your bank balance never seems to truly grow. Or you can make a conscious decision today. You can pick just one of these 5 powerful passive income streams. Start small, start tiny even, and let the system, the leverage, and the smart strategies do the heavy lifting for you. There's a stream here that fits your unique personality, your skills, your comfort level. I guarantee it. Digital products for the creative minds, dividends for the patient, sleepy investor. P2P for the steady accumulator looking for consistent cash flow, print on demand for the design-minded entrepreneur, and affiliate marketing for the content lover who enjoys connecting people with solutions. One of them, maybe even more, resonates with you. So, drop a comment below right now and tell me, which stream are you starting to explore this week? Subscribe to the channel for the deep dive tutorials on each of these, where we break down the exact steps. And I'll see you in the next video, where we turn that first trickle of passive income into an absolute flood.